Ya-da-dee-dee, ba-da-dee-dee, la-da-da-dee, ba-da. La-da-dee-dee. All right, today what I want to do is show you how to use a pre-shave oil. Now, if you've never used a pre-shave oil, you are in for an absolute treat. Now, I hear what you're saying, Mark, why would I use a pre-shave oil? Right, well, there's so many advantages to using it. It hydrates your skin, it helps with cuts and nicks, irritation while shaving, post-shave irritation, all of it hydrates the skin. It's absolutely fantastic. And by the way, it's really dead simple. You don't need to go out and spend $30 on buying a pre-shave oil if you've been doing that already. So wherever you're shaving, I'm going to show you. You're going to do this just before you do your normal shaving routine. You're going to use a pre-shave oil. Now, the most common oil we use as the base oil is castor oil. Don't have castor oil? No big deal. But if you have it, you can use castor oil. And it's so simple to remember, okay? Now, I've got all these things in your notes, but so castor oil is absolutely fantastic. It's got fantastic qualities. It's non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores, and it's got all these other advantages of using castor oil. If you don't have castor oil, it does not matter, okay? So castor oil is quite thick, so you're going to use 2 parts castor oil. Now, whether that's 2 tablespoons, you don't need, well, I certainly don't need much, but depending on how much hair you've got to shave, but you really don't need much. Oil goes a long way. So just think 2 parts castor oil to 1 part another vegetable oil. Now, you've got the olive oil, so use olive oil. Okay, you could use, so because this is thick, we want something a bit thinner. Now, in your resources, I've got a list of the qualities so that you can have a look. Say if you've got sensitive skin, you might want to use apricot kernel. Or so you can have a look at the qualities, and if that's not enough what I've got for you, you can just Google the qualities of vegetable oils and do that for your particular skin type, right? So it is this easy. 2 parts, so let's say 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Again, if you don't have it, look through the notes and you can make your others whatever you like with just olive oil. And now you can use jojoba. So of course, there's all these different qualities. Jojoba oil, which, yes, that's right. Jojoba oil is not actually an oil. It's a liquid wax. That's right. But yeah, keep it simple. You can use grapeseed. If you're a massage therapist, you're probably already using grapeseed. You're probably already using sweet almond. These are perfectly good options. Rosehip for anti-aging, mature skin, all that sort of good stuff. But just remember, 2 parts castor oil, 1 part whatever else, olive oil, sweet almond, grapeseed, whatever you like, okay? And that's it. And you put them into a dark glass bottle with it. And I'm going to show you, I've already done this. I'm going to show you my shaving routine. All right, so that's coming up. And if you want, this is optional, you can put in some essential oils as well. So I've got a list of skin-safe essential oils. You can check them, what oils you've got, and you can also see the essential oil qualities. So for example, you might want to use tea tree because of acne, antifungal, antibacterial, all of these types, and I've got those in your resource as well. So you can have a look. If you've got lavender, if you've got sandalwood, you might like a particular aroma, you can use that, and also look at the different qualities of essential oils. But just use, so if we're using 2 tablespoons of this and 1 tablespoon of that, that's 3 tablespoons. So we're going to use just 3 drops of essential oils. I'm going to keep it super simple, all right? So that's 3 in total of carrier oils, 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 of whatever, olive oil. So 3 tablespoons, and just put in 3 drops of essential oil. That might be 1 drop of lavender, 1 drop of sandalwood, 1 drop of tea tree. You might have 2 drops of sandalwood and 1 of lavender, which is a beautiful combination, by the way. Or orange and lavender are great combinations. You can look at combinations. So just keep it super simple. It's going to keep you, it's skin safe. Don't have to worry about that at all, all right? So again, if you've got sensitive skin, you might want to use chamomile to help with your sensitive skin as well. Again, it's in your resources as well. So that is so easy to make. So you save yourself a ton of money if you're already buying them. Use this before you shave. So now I'll show you what we do. So, okay, so what would you do? What do you do? Here's what you do. Let's say it's the morning and you go, all right, it's time to shave my head. So you have a shower, which opens up the pores, which softens up everything. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, or you didn't do your legs or what have you. Get a little bit of that, you see there? And then, so this softens up your hairs, as I said, protective barrier. And by the way, castor oil is only number 1, even though it's thick, it's number 1 on the comedogenic scale, the clogging pores scale. So, no big deal there. Same with olive oil, it's only 2. So I'm pre-oiled, so then you'd leave that on for about a minute. Well, we don't have a minute. You oiled up, or oiled up, or oiled up, or you know what I mean. And then just go through your normal routine. What I do for my craft, eh? So now we all lather up. It's about as high risk as I get shaving with no mirror, and away you go. And so little wonder my son thinks I'm a complete nutcase. And away you go. So that's all there is to it. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, you can comment below, and also your resources. I've got fantastic deals with bundles of my online courses, whether it's aromatherapy, whether it's massage. You can have a look at that, and if you're interested, you can go along, click the links, and see if that's something you'd like to do.